If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you've been here before, then welcome back to the ride.
What's up, riders? Chevy here, and I'm back with another vlog for y'all today. If you're new to the ride, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you've been here before, welcome back to the ride. Listen, okay? As you can see by the title, we're supposedly finna have a winter storm. And with that being said, as you can see, I'm in Walmart. The reason I'm in Walmart is to get one thing. But since I came in Walmart, I wanted to show y'all. I said, let's look at the aisles and the shelves. Because baby, when the city is about to get a storm, everything shuts down and everybody comes and gets everything. Bread, milk, eggs, cheese. Ice cream? They're fine. Look, y'all, the frozen pizzas, as you know. We're getting frozen pizzas because we gotta make that. We gotta get the stuff that's gonna last. But look at all these people. Look at all these people in the store. They're just in the grocery store because, excuse me. They ain't just in the grocery store, y'all, because everybody trying to get quick stuff that's gonna not look. You gotta get the quick stuff. Frozen hash browns, tater tots. Dude, them hash browns be fire. Yeah, they getting everything. You gotta get everything for when you stuck in the house. Okay. And they got hash browns with onions and peppers. Chevy, you're only here for one thing. And I'm here to show y'all these shelves. So let me go back here by the milk and stuff. So I'll be right back. Y'all, look at the noodles. This is the noodle aisle. The ramen, baby, they can't even clean the ramen out. Cause one thing you gonna eat if you stuck in the house, ramen. Okay? You better get you some ramen. And these candies, baby, Chef Boyardee's soups. Crazy. Be right back. Get to this bag. Okay, y'all, I came for one thing, and it was these. I wanted the butter flavored Noor noodles. But when I tell y'all, the shelves are white. So, I got what I needed, but I'm just gonna go with the chicken flavor, and I got the pastaroni angel hair butter and garlic noodles. So now we're gonna get back here, baby, because listen, let me show y'all this. Okay, so the milk, I guess they're keeping the milk stocked. Clearly the milk is pretty stocked. They know that's what people's coming for, so they're keeping it. They look pretty good. Other than down here. Now, I guess a lot of people drink whole milk, because the whole milk, oh, that's lactose milk and stuff like that. But yeah. Y'all see that? Look. Baby, this is the eggshell. Yo, that's why this lady just walked by. He said, is there an egg dealer in town? An egg dealer. Winter storm. Baby, when I tell y'all, listen, it's supposed to be 2 to 3 inches of snow. Now, if you know me, you know I'm from Ohio. and I'm used to the snow. But I have been here going on 21 years, so it is a little. I've kind of adapted and gotten used to how they act, and they got me acting like that. Like the world is about to end, maybe 2 to 3 inches. Now earlier this week it did say like something to 15, but now it's down to 2-3 inches. So hang it up. Today is just raining and everybody is talking about winter storm. It's 52 degrees outside and raining. I can't with the people. I can't with the people. So excuse me, but these are the shelves. Butter. Y'all crazy. They ain't even got the butter I want. It's crazy. I just want Country Crock plant-based butter. They don't have it. They don't ever not have it. So let's go look at the cheese. Now look at the cheese. Look at the cheese. Baby, get you some cheese. You need cheese, eggs, milk, bread. When the storm comes. I'm gonna grab me some sliced cheese because I haven't had no sliced cheese in a minute for grilled cheese, which is over there. It's not that bad, but it is. So I'm gonna grab my cheese. I'm gonna head to checkout. I got me some Simply Lemonade, 2 strawberries. And I'm gonna grab me some cheese when these guys are done. I'll see y'all at the checkout. All right, guys, I'm leaving out of Walmart, heading to the house, and it is raining. So, yep. Mind you, I live next door to Walmart. So, that's the end of this vlog. Really, I didn't want nothing. I was just coming to say hey and show y'all how this this so-called winter storm is taking the city out, because they go crazy. The eggs is gone, all of them. The eggs. The lady said, is there an egg vendor? Something she said. What I said earlier? I said, oh my God, that's crazy. Now the temperature is definitely dropping, because it was 52. It's going down. The high was supposed to be 52. I feel like it could hit 52 and start immediately going down, because it's cooler than it was when I first got over to Walmart. So, I love y'all. Like, comment, subscribe. See y'all next vlog. And period. That's it. I'm getting about this weather. Thank ya.
Riding with Chevy, riding with Chevy, riding with Chevy, riding with Chevy. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you've been here before, then welcome back to the ride.